I'm Charlotte Mokoena, Executive Vice President for Human Resources and Corporate Affairs at Sasol, based at the global headquarters in Johannesburg. A good leader first is a person that is authentic in their style of the way they approach leadership. And a good leader is also a leader that possesses the competence of their role and is focused on developing the future competences that require as the company evolves. A good leader is a leader that lives on the values that the company has identified and continues to make sure that everybody in their team lives those values and make sure that those people also are successful within the company. We look at both the style of the leader, the competence and the performance of the leader. And after that, we look at what the leader is required to develop. So we go through assessment processes. And the assessment processes are looked at various ways. We have the formal competency assessment process, as well as the data that comes out of 180 and the data that comes out of the organizational survey, which we call the heartbeat survey. And that information then lead us to a very robust talent management system. We have a transition lab where the leader spends time with experts to reflect on themselves, reflect on their work, reflect on their performance, reflect on their impact, and then plan their personal journey as they transition into a new role. We also support the performance of leaders with a mentor, and we support the leadership development of leaders in Sasol with an executive coach. So it's a very supported process. They've identified the critical culture shifts that the company has to make, each one in the company has to make to move towards their aspired culture. That program is centrally coordinated, but it is implemented globally to make sure that it's customized within every business unit because it goes with the rhythm of the business, and the culture program has to support what the business wants to achieve. So every leader contextualizes it within what they want to do and what they want to achieve, and they focus on those areas that this culture program will assist to make sure that we make the shifts that are required. Culture has to impact business, and culture has to impact people, and culture has to help produce the results that the company aspires for. And that's why organizational culture change for transformation of Sasol is so critical for our success.